In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a custom invoice template in Zoho Books using HTML and CSS. It's a handy skill that will allow you to create tailored invoices that align perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. Let's jump right in. To start off, open up your browser and head over to Zoho Books. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the Settings section. You can find settings by looking for the gear icon on the right-hand side of your screen. This will bring you to a new page with a variety of options. Next, click on PDF Templates. This will bring you to the area where all your template work will happen. Once here, your focus will shift to Invoices. Click on Invoices to further customize your invoice templates. This section houses all the pre-existing invoice templates supplied by Zoho, but you'll want to create your own. After clicking on Invoices, find and click on the Edit button. Editing allows you to tailor the invoice fields, headers, footers, and more to suit your needs. In essence, this is where the core of your customization begins. Next, you'll want to navigate to the table options. Click on the table to commence editing. In this section, you can modify the layout and style of the table that displays your transaction items. You'll be able to adjust columns, headers, and other aspects using HTML and CSS for precision and finesse. Once you have explored the table settings, go ahead and click on Transaction Details. This section offers a deeper dive into each item's line-level details in your invoice. You can add or remove fields, rearrange them to fit your style, and make adjustments using HTML and CSS. Afterward, it's time to work on the header and footer sections. Click on these to customize what's displayed at the top and bottom of your invoices. This is an ideal space for adding company logos, contact information, or even special messages for your clients. HTML and CSS can be particularly handy here to ensure a polished and cohesive look. Next, head over to the General settings. This area encompasses the overall settings for your template. Here you can define general style elements, overall fonts, and default wording. Utilize HTML and CSS to tweak these to match your company's branding seamlessly. Finally, after you have made all your modifications, don't forget to click on Wow. This step ensures that all your customizations are locked in and your tailored invoice template is ready for use. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if future adjustments are needed. And there you have it. You've just learned how to design a custom invoice template in Zoho Books with HTML and CSS. With these skills, you can create invoices that truly reflect your brand's personality and professional standards. Happy designing!